Hello, class. This is Mrs. Robinson. I am having the common question of where do we find our daily assignments? So, of course, I go over where to find your daily assignments at the beginning of each class period when we meet in conferences. However, today's Schoology was down and you all were not able to have your class conference. So, in the event that that happens, there are actually several ways that you can find your assignments for the day. So I am going to click on my course first. Your update for your classwork for the day is always at the very top of the page. Now, keep in mind that my planning period is third period, so I do not update this until third period. So first and second period, some days may be a day behind until I have that planning period. So it tells you that the daily agenda link in your virtual classroom has been updated with today's assignments. So you look here, you follow the directions. I also include announcements at the end of this. So to follow those directions, we need to find the virtual classroom and the daily agenda. So let's scroll down. Here's the virtual classroom. We'll click there. And you have a link on the whiteboard to your daily agenda. You will click your daily agenda and this will open up a link to a Google slide that has a list of all the assignments that you are supposed to work on for the day. So just so that we can see a little bit more clearly, I'm going to put this in present mode. The announcements are always in the top right-hand corner. Today's date is always at the top of the chart. And then for science, we're supposed to be learning things in a 5E format: engage, explore, explain, and elaborate. And evaluate, excuse me. So each day, we will not do all parts of these 5 E's. We don't have time, but I will skip around back and forth and make sure that we do all 5 for each standard. So for example, for this date, August 20th, you start with your bell work, review your word wall. There's a video titled Mean, Median, and Mode Toads by the Animated Classroom that you're supposed to watch for your video instruction. Then we together reviewed yesterday's bell work on the conference. Of course, if there is no conference, we would not do this step. And then for evaluation for the day, there was an assessment that you are supposed to complete titled Mean, Median, and Mode. And then, of course, access your Quizlet to review your nature of science vocabulary would be the intervention for the day. I did allow extended time to complete your assignments without penalizing your grade, since we are in the first week of grading and everyone is trying to get used to this new system and their schedules. Your announcements for today are: when emailing me, please do not reply unless it is absolutely necessary. Be detailed in your questions and include your class period. I hope this answers all questions about how to access your daily assignments. I do my best to update this Google Slides PowerPoint each day. So you'll see this is August 19th, August 18th, August 17th, 14th, all the way back to the first day of class, August 10th. And you do have to be using your MPS email address in Google. For your Google account. See that my Google account has my MPS email address. You have to be logged in this way in order to view this, or it will tell you that you do not have permission to do so. It is blocked for anyone outside of the MPS network. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this helped.